Episode 4: The First Mission to Portugal. Hello everyone. In our previous episodes, we explored the formative years of St Francis Xavier and the founding of the Society of Jesus. Today, we delve into an essential chapter of Xavier's life, his journey to Portugal, and the commencement of his early missionary activities. Xavier's journey to Portugal. Following Xavier's ordination as a priest and the founding of the Jesuits, his first major mission was to Portugal. This journey marked the beginning of his dedicated involvement in missionary work. Upon his arrival in Lisbon, Portugal, Xavier was faced with a new cultural landscape vastly different from his native Spain. Portugal, as a major maritime power, was a hub of international trade and exploration, making it an ideal starting point for Xavier's missionary endeavors. Now, let us take a look at Xavier's early missionary activities. Xavier immersed himself in the local communities, embracing their culture and learning the language. His initial efforts were focused on preaching and ministering to the people of Lisbon. He spent time in hospitals, prisons, and other places where he could provide spiritual guidance and assistance. Xavier's experiences in Portugal were crucial for his spiritual development. His interactions with people of different backgrounds and circumstances deepened his understanding of human suffering and the spiritual needs of individuals. These experiences played a pivotal role in shaping his commitment to mission work. Xavier's time in Portugal strengthened his resolve to spread the Christian faith to distant lands. His exposure to the realities of human suffering and the lack of spiritual guidance fueled his determination to embark on a broader missionary journey. Xavier's journal and personal reflections during this period provide insight into the profound spiritual growth he experienced. His writings reveal a growing sense of urgency and conviction in his mission to bring the message of Christ to those who had not yet heard it. After his significant experiences in Portugal, Xavier's dedication to missionary work grew even stronger. His eyes were set on broader horizons, and he set out to embark on missions beyond Europe, primarily in the East, aiming to take the Christian message to regions where it had not yet been widely heard. Legacy of Xavier's mission in Portugal. The impact of Xavier's early missionary activities in Portugal laid the groundwork for his future missions. Though he spent a relatively short time in Portugal, it was a crucial period in his life where he honed his missionary zeal and deepened his commitment to spreading the gospel. St Francis Xavier's journey to Portugal was a transformative phase in his life. It was here that he began to understand the depth of human need and developed a growing commitment to mission work that would shape his future endeavors. Thank you for joining me for this episode. In the upcoming episodes, we will explore Xavier's subsequent missions and the challenges and triumphs he encountered as he spread Christianity to different parts of the world. Stay tuned for episode 5, where we will delve into Xavier's arrival in Goa, India, and his initial efforts to spread Christianity in the region.